Alright guys, what is going on? It's Justin here today, and I did order a TOMEI, a single exit Type R TOMEI exhaust that I'm going to be unboxing right now and installing tomorrow, which is going to be in the same video. So I'm going to be unboxing it right now with Christian. We're here in my living room. So yeah guys, we're going to bring up the box and we're going to show you guys how a TOMEI comes out of the box. Here's JUSTINBEC, guys. Pipes, face reveal. Look at the pipes in front. There he is. Pretty easy to open.
Oh, you got the silencer.
Something I'm never gonna use. Okay, so here we have it.
That's a lot of pipes.
See you guys watching?
Oh, titanium, right? How much was it again? You want to tell them?
Alright guys, so this TOMEI exhaust Type R for the Supra 3.0 B58 engine was around $1,300 brand new.
That's not bad.
It's not bad.
And it's a full...
It's a full titanium exhaust.
Oh!
They hooked it up hella crazy. Yeah, we'll be getting a cold start and a warm start in this video.
Oh, he needs to hit the gym a little more.
Alright guys, so now it's fully out. You guys can check out the welds. The hanger.
Install manual download.
So now that we unwrapped it, you guys can see all the pieces that it comes with. Alright guys, we're going to be loading it up inside the car. And I'll see you guys tomorrow in the morning when I'm about to install it. Alright guys, it's officially the next morning. I just woke up. We got the TOMEI inside. We got it all ready to go. So I'm about to get a cold start for you guys of the stock exhaust. This is how the stock exhaust sounds. Cold start. Stock exhaust does not sound too bad. I was in sport mode, so I really want something loud because all my friends have something loud. So it's like, bro, I need to hop on the trend. Alright guys, I'll see you when I'm installing it. Alright guys, we are now at the lift. We're about to lift the car up and we're gonna start heading on and putting this exhaust on. I'll see you guys there. Alright guys, we just installed the TOMEI. We took it off the lift. This is the first startup. It sounds hella good. This was like the easiest install to ever do. It legit took like 15 minutes. Alright guys, I need gas. But I'm doing the first drive off in my Supra. It's a pretty big difference. It doesn't sound too obnoxious right now without the downpipe. But the TOMEI sounds really good. Just off the jump. We have a quick tunnel right here, so. Ooh, it sounds good. You gotta get here under the tunnel. I'm sorry I couldn't show the exhaust install because all my coworkers were helping me put it on exhaust. I don't want to like rub a camera in their face, you know. Hear it?
Yeah.
Alright guys, we got the stock exhaust right here. Look how long it is. You cannot separate it. It's like it doesn't come in pieces like the TOMEI. So someone had to come pick it up. My dad had to come pick it up. It's super long, but the TOMEI is sounding super great right now. It sounds good. So yeah guys, this is a stock exhaust. You cannot cut it in half like the TOMEI. Someone had to come pick it up. But it was not a hard install. It literally took 5 minutes. Like, it took 5 minutes to get this one off. Because all you need to do is put WD-40 on the hangers. And then you get a pry bar. and then you take off the sensor that it has. You guys have to take off the sensor that it has. I took it off fully. I took off these 10s and I zip tied it to the sensor that's plugged into it. I just plugged it in and zip tied it onto a hanger that's from this hanger. So I mean, I don't think the check engine light will turn on, but I mean, if it does, then I'll just take it back off and cut off the zip tie. But yeah, I got this sensor. I zip tied it. I'll show you guys right now. You see the sensor right here? I zip tied it right there, but you can't really see it unless you like look over. But it's not bad. The clearance is really good. I could have probably fixed it towards the right, but it's not touching at least. So yeah guys, this is the TOMEI. And then this was not a hard install at all. It's just like, it's not that bad because you just take it off the downpipe, so you don't have to like reach in and unscrew anything. But the downpipe will be getting installed next week, so I'll be in the next video. Pretty decent. It really looks good. It makes the car look like I have an exhaust now. If you guys want the dual exhaust or the single exit, I wanted the single exit to look like kind of like make it a big deal. I never had a single exit before. I had an 8.6 before, so I had the dual exit. I wanted the TOMEI one, but I mean this one sounds great. It's a little bit. All right guys, it's 2 hours, about 2 hours, so it's kind of a warm start, but I'm just gonna give you guys an idea. I'll get the cold start tomorrow, but here's the warm start. If I could set up the tripod a while.
So Justin got his new exhaust. You guys can see.
Yes, sir.
TOMEI. He's giving me the keys. I am going to swing this car now, guys. Get ready to see the best drifting you guys have ever.
Alright, yeah, guys, we're at the Chevron before the Alex Troy meet. I'm gonna show you guys how the exhaust sounds. It's been on for a couple hours. I'll give you guys the cold start tomorrow, but here's a little quick revs and some good lighting. Alright, ready. It sounds good, huh?
They liked it.
They like it.
That sounds good. It's more like, yeah, it's a deeper tone. But like you can hear the pops more in it too.
Yeah.
Now overall, I like the look of the like the burst tip, and
yeah, it looks good.
A little more. I don't know. What do you guys think about the single exit though? We have.
Yeah, a lot of people were like kind of flaming me at work that I literally just went to a single exit instead of a dual. But I mean,
comment down below what you guys.
Yeah, comment down below what you guys think about it. Alright guys, we're at the canyons. I'm showing you guys how the TOMEI sounds when you're like at high RPMs. This is how the TOMEI sounds. It's really impressive here. The pops are crazy. You guys hear those pops? Oh my gosh. It has a little bit more power to it too, to be honest. What is going on YouTube? Is it officially the next day? The car has been sitting for about 8 hours, so it's gonna be the first official cold start. There it goes. That was a cold start. Let's go get some drive-bys. Guys, I have no check engine light on, as you can see. I don't know if it's because I plugged in the valve connector and I just zip tied it to one of the hangers, or I don't know if people do that, but my coworker just told me to do it, and I'm guessing the valve does give you a check engine light based on other people. Alright guys, we're here in Mexico, and we found a undisclosed location. Who the hell revved it? What the heck? Quick tunnel before the outro. Woo, sounds crazy. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I installed my TOMEI single exit Type R exhaust on my 2020 Toyota Supra. It's really impressing me on how it sounds. It's been getting a lot of looks, and I really recommend you guys to buy it. And if you guys are if you guys are really looking for an exhaust, I recommend the TOMEI Type R single exit for the 2020 Toyota Supra. I got the downpipe on the way. I got more videos to come. And the car's gonna get wrapped soon. The calipers are gonna get painted. So just stay tuned for that. Subscribe, comment, and like. And just put in the comments what you think about the exhaust. Thank you guys for watching the video. And see you guys in the next. Peace.